Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angela. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to be creating this minimalist, simple, everyday makeup look. If you're looking for a makeup look to wear every day to work, especially if you work in a corporate setting or in an office and you want to, look presentable but not overly done with dramatic makeup, just keep on watching to see how we achieved this look. Okay. That was lame. Alright guys, so first things first, I'm going to work on my eyebrows. I'm just brushing them out with a spoolie. I filled them in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade. This is in the shade Ebony. And I use an angled brush for that. Now that we're done, we're gonna clean them out. I use the MAC NC50 Studio Finish Concealer. I try not to define them so much because I want it to look natural. When you go into the office, you don't want to look overly done. The eyebrows are done. Now I'm going to go ahead and do foundation. I'm going to go ahead and wet my beauty blender and I'll be right back. So for foundation, I use the Stay Oil Free Matte Foundation by Clinique in the shade 29 Sienna. I'm using a beauty blender. This is how I apply the foundation, but if I was using a brush, I would just apply this on top of the brush. So say this is the brush, I would just squeeze the product on the brush like that. But because I'm using a beauty blender, I prefer to go like this. Now I'm just going to blend everything in. And try to come down your neck like this, that way everything looks even and blended out. You don't want to have hash lines around your neck. And this is a good no makeup look, very minimalist makeup look. So if you're one of those girls who doesn't like putting on a lot of makeup, this would be a good look for you. And the good thing with this foundation is that it doesn't give you full coverage. It gives you light to medium coverage. So it's perfect for an everyday look to the office for sure. Now I'm going to go ahead and set everything with powder. I use MAC's Mineralized Skin Finish Powder in the shade Dark. And then I like to define my face without really highlighting and contouring in depth. I do apply the Anastasia Beverly Hills Bronze Powder in the shade Mahogany. Next up, I apply blush. I use Raizin. This is the only blush I always use. Raizin by MAC. I like using the same brush I use to contour because it blends everything in really well. I'm gonna highlight. I use MAC's Golden Bronze highlighter in the shade Golden Bronze. It's the Iridescent Golden Bronze highlighter. That's what it's called. Nothing too dramatic. And then I'm just using a small brush to highlight my nose. And sometimes I just like getting my middle finger and applying a little bit of product like that. And then just putting it on my eyelids. Just give them an extra pop. Now I'm going to apply mascara. I use Monsieur by Lancome. That is the finished look. I'm gonna go ahead and apply lipstick. I'm gonna be using Touch by MAC. I like using this lipstick because it's a nude lipstick. It makes my lips look so natural. It just blends in well. It's perfect for every day going to work and to the office. So for all chocolate girls out there, if you're looking for a go-to nude lipstick to wear every day, this lipstick will do it. And I like to line my lips with a brown pencil. And there you have it. Just gonna brush this out. So now I'm gonna set the entire look with the MAC Mineralized Charcoal Water Spray, Charged Charcoal Water Spray. Well, this is the finished look, my dear ones. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and comment on my video, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.